Shalom. I am Rabbi David. Today, I am going to reveal a piece of spiritual technology that is so powerful, so potent, that for centuries the greatest rabbis and Kabbalists kept it completely hidden from the public. They believed that if this knowledge fell into the wrong hands, it could be misused to manipulate the fabric of reality itself. This is not a standard prayer you will find in a typical synagogue service. This is not a gentle meditation or a simple request for blessing. This is the Ana B'Koch, a mystical formula composed in the 1st century that contains the hidden 42-letter name of God. The Kabbalists teach that this specific sequence of letters is the actual source code of creation. It is the energetic blueprint that the Creator used to bring the physical universe into existence. And when you know how to use it, it acts as a spiritual master key, unlocking doors of abundance that seem permanently welded shut. Today, I am going to break the silence. I am going to explain exactly what the Ana B'Koch is, how it works, and how you can use it to shatter the spiritual blockages that are keeping you in a state of financial lack. To understand the power of the Ana B'Koch, you have to understand how Kabbalah views the concept of poverty. In Jewish mysticism, poverty is not considered a natural state. The universe was created to be infinitely abundant. The Creator is an endless source of giving. Therefore, if you are experiencing financial lack, it is not because the universe has run out of money. It is because there is a spiritual blockage, a short circuit in your energetic pipeline that is preventing the abundance from reaching you. These blockages are created by our own negative actions, our fears, our ego, and our reactive behavior. Over time, these blockages build up like plaque in an artery until the flow of blessing is completely choked off. You can work yourself to the bone, you can try every new business strategy, but if the spiritual pipeline is blocked, the money will not flow. The Ana B'Koch is the spiritual equivalent of high-pressure clearing. It is designed to blast through those blockages and restore the flow of divine energy. And for those who are truly serious about accelerating their journey, for a limited time, I am opening the doors to the Torah Millionaire Business School for just $299. This is where I unveil the complete Torah wealth system. It is the full architecture of ancient wisdom applied to modern financial transformation. The doors are closing soon, so check the link in the comments. The Ana B'Koch was composed by Rabbi Nahonia ben Hakana, a master Kabbalist who lived nearly 2,000 years ago. He understood that the human mind cannot comprehend the infinite nature of the Creator, so he encoded the 42-letter name of God into a poem. The prayer consists of exactly 7 lines. Each line contains exactly 6 words. 7 times 6 equals 42. If you take the first letter of every word in this prayer, it spells out the hidden 42-letter name. The Kabbalists reveal that this name is actually hidden in the very first verses of the book of Genesis, from the word Bereshit, meaning in the beginning, to the word Vavahu, meaning void. This means that the Ana B'Koch is directly connected to the energy of the Big Bang. It is connected to the moment when pure, infinite potential was transformed into physical reality. When you recite this prayer, you are not just asking for a favor. You are literally tapping into the frequency of creation. You are returning to the seed level of the universe before your problems existed, before your debts existed, before your blockages existed. You are hitting the cosmic reset button. Think about how a computer works. When a computer gets a virus, or when the operating system becomes corrupted, you do not try to fix the individual files. You reboot the system. You restore it to its original factory settings. The Ana B'Koch is the factory reset for your financial life. It bypasses the corrupted files of your current reality and restores your connection to the original, uncorrupted energy of abundance. This is why it is so powerful. It does not try to fix your poverty. It deletes the program of poverty entirely and reinstalls the program of wealth. Let me tell you a story about a man named Ezra. Ezra was a brilliant software engineer who had spent 5 years developing a revolutionary new app. He had poured his life savings into the project. He had sacrificed his sleep, his relationships, and his health. But when it came time to launch, everything went wrong. His lead investor pulled out at the last minute. A competitor launched a similar product a week before him. His marketing campaign completely failed. He was facing total bankruptcy. He came to me, completely broken, and asked me to pray for a miracle. I told him that I would not pray for him, but I would teach him how to pray for himself using the Ana Bakoch. I explained that his massive effort had created a massive vessel, but his fear and desperation had created a blockage that was preventing the blessing from entering. I instructed him to meditate on the Ana Bakoch every morning before he touched his computer. I told him to focus specifically on the second line of the prayer. The second line contains the sequence Kra Satan, which translates to tear out Satan or tear out the adversary. In Kabbalah, Satan is not a guy with horns and a pitchfork. Satan is the internal voice of doubt, fear, and self-sabotage. Ezra committed to the practice. He stopped operating from panic and started operating from the frequency of creation. 2 weeks later, a completely unexpected investor, someone he had met briefly 3 years prior, reached out and offered to fully fund the relaunch. The blockage was cleared and the abundance flowed. Let me share another story about a man named David. David was a highly skilled architect who had been trying to start his own firm for years. Every time he got close to securing a major contract, something would go wrong. The client would change their mind, the funding would fall through, or a partner would back out. He was stuck in a perpetual cycle of almost making it. He was incredibly frustrated and was considering giving up and going back to work for a corporate firm. I introduced him to the Ana Bakoch. I explained that his pattern of almost making it was a classic sign of a spiritual blockage. He was generating enough energy to attract the opportunity, but he lacked the spiritual clearance to actually receive it. I told him to recite the Ana Bakoch every day, focusing on the fourth line, which connects to the energy of Netzach, or endurance and victory. I told him to visualize the letters of the prayer breaking through the invisible wall that was stopping his progress. David was skeptical, but he was desperate enough to try. He started the daily meditation. Within a month, the pattern broke. He secured a massive contract to design a new commercial complex in the city center. The deal went through smoothly, without any of the usual drama or delays. The Ana Bakoch had cleared the energetic debris that was clogging his pipeline, allowing his hard work to finally translate into tangible financial success. The structure of the Ana Bakoch is not random. The 7 lines correspond to the 7 days of creation, and they also correspond to the 7 lower sephirot, the spiritual dimensions through which divine energy flows into our world. When you recite the prayer, you are systematically opening each of these dimensions. The first line connects to Chesed, the energy of unconditional loving kindness and pure giving. The second line connects to Gevurah, the energy of discipline, restriction, and overcoming obstacles. The third line connects to Tifereh, the energy of balance, beauty, and harmony. The fourth line connects to Netzach, the energy of endurance, victory, and pushing through resistance. The fifth line connects to Hod, the energy of humility, gratitude, and acknowledging the true source of wealth. The sixth line connects to Yesod, the energy of foundation, connection, and bringing spiritual concepts into physical reality. And the seventh line connects to Malkut, the physical world itself, the realm of manifestation and actualized wealth. By moving through these 7 lines, you are guiding the divine energy all the way from the highest spiritual realms down into your bank account. This is why the prayer was kept hidden for so long. The rabbis knew that if people used this formula with selfish, ego-driven intentions, it would create chaos. You cannot use the source code of creation just to buy a new sports car or to show off to your neighbors. The energy is too pure. If you try to pull that massive voltage through a selfish, narrow vessel, the vessel will shatter. To use the Anabakoch safely and effectively, your intention must be aligned with the Creator. You must desire wealth, not just for your own comfort, but so that you can be a greater force for good in the world. You must want to build businesses that serve people. You must want to provide for your family, support your community, and fund righteous causes. When your desire to receive is transformed into a desire to share, you become a perfect conduit for the 42-letter name. The universe will trust you with massive resources because it knows you will distribute them according to the divine will. Let me share another story, this time about a woman named Sarah. Sarah was a real estate agent who had been stuck at the exact same income level for 7 years. No matter how many hours she worked, no matter how many networking events she attended, she could not break through her invisible ceiling. She was incredibly frustrated. I taught her the Anabakoch and explained the concept of the 7 Sephirot. I told her that her blockage was not in her work ethic, her blockage was in her energetic alignment. She was working entirely in the realm of Malkut, the physical world, without drawing energy from the higher dimensions. I instructed her to recite the prayer every morning, visualizing the energy flowing down through the 7 levels and into her business. I also told her that she had to change her intention. She had to stop focusing on her commission checks and start focusing on how she was helping families find their perfect homes. She had to align her business with the energy of chesed, loving kindness. Sarah took the teaching to heart. She began the daily meditation. She shifted her focus from taking to giving. Within 3 months, she closed the largest commercial deal of her career, earning more in one commission than she had in the previous 2 years combined. The invisible ceiling was shattered because she had finally learned how to use the master key. This brings us to a crucial point about the Anabakoch. It is not just a tool for acquiring money, it is a tool for acquiring clarity. When you clear the spiritual blockages in your life, you do not just get more wealth, you get more vision. You start to see opportunities that were previously invisible to you. You start to recognize the toxic relationships and bad habits that are draining your energy. You start to understand your true purpose in this world. The 42-letter name of God illuminates the dark corners of your consciousness. It shows you exactly where you are out of alignment and gives you the strength to make the necessary corrections. This clarity is the ultimate form of wealth. A person with clarity can lose all their money and rebuild their empire in a year. A person without clarity can inherit a fortune and lose it all in a month. The Anabakoch gives you the clarity to build wealth that lasts. I want to be very clear about something. The Anabakoch is not a magic spell. You cannot just read the words off a piece of paper, sit on your couch, and expect a bag of money to fall through your roof. The Kabbalists teach that spiritual tools only work when they are combined with physical action. The prayer clears the blockage in the spiritual realm, but you still have to do the work in the physical realm. You still have to make the sales calls. You still have to build the product. You still have to manage your team. The difference is that when you use the Anabakoch, your physical actions are infused with divine power. You are no longer pushing a boulder up a hill, you are riding a wave of cosmic momentum. Your efforts yield exponential results because the resistance has been removed. Let me give you one final example. A man named Jonathan came to me. He was a restaurant owner who had been struggling to keep his business afloat for 3 years. He was working 80 hours a week, but he was constantly losing money. He was on the verge of closing his doors forever. I taught him the Anabakoch and explained that his business was suffering from a severe energetic blockage. He was operating entirely from a place of fear and scarcity, which was repelling customers and causing his staff to quit. I told him to recite the prayer every morning before he opened the restaurant, focusing on the fifth line, which connects to the energy of Hod, or humility and gratitude. I told him to visualize the energy of the prayer washing over his entire business, clearing away the fear and replacing it with gratitude. Jonathan committed to the practice. He started treating his staff with more respect. He started greeting his customers with genuine joy. He stopped worrying about the competition and started focusing on providing the best possible experience for his guests. Within 2 months, his restaurant was fully booked every night. He had to hire more staff to keep up with the demand. The Rabbi coach had cleared the blockage, and the abundance flowed in. If you are tired of struggling, if you are tired of hitting the same financial walls over and over again, it is time to upgrade your spiritual technology. It is time to stop relying solely on your own limited strength and start tapping into the 42-letter name of God. You can find the text of the Rabbi Coach easily online today. The secret is no longer hidden, but the power is only activated by those who use it with the right intention and the right understanding. Start your day with this prayer. Meditate on the sequence of the letters. Visualize the blockages in your life being blasted away by the pure light of creation. Align your desire for wealth with the desire to do good in the world, and then get to work. The universe is waiting to support you. This is the ultimate secret of the Rabbi Coach. It is not just about getting what you want, it is about becoming who you were meant to be. When you clear the blockages in your life, you do not just become wealthier, you become more powerful, more compassionate, and more aligned with the divine will. You become a true leader, capable of transforming not just your own life, but the lives of everyone around you. This is the true purpose of wealth in the Jewish tradition. It is not about hoarding resources, it is about using those resources to elevate the world. When you embrace this purpose, the universe will open its storehouses to you. You will experience a level of abundance that you never thought possible. The 42-letter name of God is the key. It is time to use it, but you must use it with reverence. You must approach this ancient technology with the understanding that you are handling the very forces that shaped the cosmos. When you recite the Rabbi Coach, do not rush through the words. Speak them slowly. Let the vibration of each letter resonate in your mind and in your body. Allow the pure light of creation to wash over your business, your bank accounts, and your relationships. If you do this consistently, with a pure heart and a strong work ethic, the results will absolutely astound you. The invisible walls will fall, the blockages will dissolve, and the wealth that has been waiting for you will finally arrive. You will no longer be a victim of circumstance. You will be a conscious co-creator of your own reality, operating with the full backing of the divine system. This is the promise of the Kabbalists, and it is a promise that has been tested and proven over thousands of years. Tell me in the comments below if you are ready to use the Rabbi Coach to clear your financial blockages. I read every single comment, and I want to see who is truly ready to step into the realm of Kabbalistic wealth creation. If this video revealed a new dimension of spiritual power to you, subscribe to this channel. I am committed to bringing you the deepest, most potent teachings of the Jewish tradition. Remember, the source code of creation is available to you. Use it wisely. Shalom. And until next time. And if you are truly serious about accelerating your journey and applying these principles at the highest level for a limited time, I am opening the doors to the Torah Millionaire Business School for just $299. This is where I unveil the complete Torah wealth system, the full architecture of ancient wisdom applied to modern financial transformation. The doors are closing soon. The link is in the comments.